Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Glucose Meter is probably one of the most innovative devices in diabetes management. Ditching the traditional finger pricks, this device offers a painless and convenient way to monitor your blood sugar levels. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of needleless glucose meters, exploring their features, benefits, and how they can revolutionize your daily routine. Number 5. KETO-MOJO GK Plus Bluetooth Testing Kit. This GK Plus meter provides quick and accurate readings for both ketones and glucose. It's trusted by healthcare professionals and used in many clinical trials. This is ideal for those following ketogenic, low-carb, or diabetes-focused lifestyles. The kit includes everything you need to start testing. It comes with the GK Plus Bluetooth meter, strips for both ketones and glucose, lancets, a lancing device, control solutions, batteries, and a user manual. It has everything you need to get started. The results automatically sync to the free MyMojo Health app. You can view trends, track your glucose ketone index, and share data with your doctor. It also integrates with other health apps for a comprehensive view of your metabolic health. The individually foil-wrapped strips ensure sterility and performance. The meter auto-detects each strip type to reduce user error. This supports consistent and reliable readings. It's backed by a lifetime warranty and US-based support. It is FDA cleared for home use. You'll also have access to free resources, including videos and guides, to support your low-carb or keto lifestyle. What we like. This meter is designed for both ketone and glucose testing, giving you a comprehensive view of your metabolic health. It seamlessly integrates with an app, allowing you to track trends and share data with your doctor. If you are looking for a complete solution for managing your keto or diabetes lifestyle, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The device is easy to use. The readings are accurate. It is a convenient way to monitor glucose levels. Number 4. iHealth Gluco Plus Wireless Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. This iHealth kit stores up to 500 readings. You can access unlimited readings on your iOS or Android device via the free iHealth Gluco Smart app. It makes managing your diabetes easier, wherever you are. The iHealth Blood Sugar Testing Kit gives accurate results in just 5 seconds. It only needs a tiny blood sample. The adjustable lancet device provides a nearly painless testing experience. The iHealth BG5S100 is a sleek, compact monitor with a rechargeable battery. It's perfect for on-the-go use. The carrying case gives you more convenience and peace of mind. BG5S100 has a user-friendly design with alerts for high and low blood sugar levels. You can quickly see the results on its bright, clear display, even in low light. You get the blood glucose monitor kit, a lancing device, 100 lancets, 100 test strips, a USB charging cable, a carrying case, and the user manuals. It also comes with a 12-month warranty and customer service. What we like. This kit offers effortless wireless syncing, allowing you to manage your glucose levels anytime, anywhere. It provides quick and gentle testing with a tiny blood sample, ensuring comfort and accuracy. If you are always on the go and need a portable and rechargeable device, this is the one for you. What people say. It's super easy to use and compact, the supplies are great, the lance works fine and is easily adjustable, and the charge life on the meter is good. The app was simple to install and took just a few minutes to set up. Once installed, it seamlessly syncs with the monitor, providing real-time data on your blood glucose levels. Compact to carry anywhere. Number 3. CareSens N Plus Bluetooth Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. This is the CareSens N Plus Bluetooth Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. It's designed for easy and accurate blood sugar testing. The kit includes everything you need for personal use. The monitor features Bluetooth connectivity. This allows you to easily transfer your readings to your smartphone or other devices. It helps you track your health. The kit comes with 100 blood sugar test strips and 100 lancets. It also includes a lancing device and a travel case. You'll have everything you need to get started. The CareSens N Plus provides accurate and reliable results. The auto-coding glucometer ensures precise readings every time. It's an essential tool for managing diabetes. The included travel case makes it easy to take the kit with you. Whether you're at home or on the go, you can always monitor your blood sugar. It's convenient and portable. What we like. This monitor features Bluetooth connectivity for easy data transfer and auto-coding for hassle-free testing. It comes with a travel case, making it convenient for on-the-go use. If you value simplicity and portability, this is the ideal choice. What people say. All measurement automatically uploads to iPhone once you pull out the test strip. The lancet tool is easy to use, just insert the lancet and twist the top. It has an adjustable needle length which is nice so you don't poke a larger than needed. The strips themselves are quite reliable and easy to use. Very few misreads where you waste a strip because it didn't pull enough blood for the test, or just didn't work. Maybe 1 or 2 failed tests per 100. Number 2. OneTouch Verio Reflect Blood Glucose Monitoring Kit. This kit includes everything you need for daily blood sugar monitoring. It comes with a meter, test strips, lancets, and a lancing device. It's designed to make managing your diabetes easier. Get easy-to-read blood sugar test results. This product provides accurate readings to help you manage your blood glucose effectively. You can trust the results to make informed decisions. Testing is simple and requires just a small blood sample. The test strips work with the meter to give you fast results in just 5 seconds. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. There's no need to code the test strips with the meter. You can use the test strips right away. This saves you time and simplifies the testing process. OneTouch is a trusted brand recommended by doctors. The products are designed to help you manage your diabetes. Explore the brand for reliable blood sugar support. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for everyday blood sugar monitoring. It provides accurate results quickly and requires no coding, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a straightforward and reliable testing experience, you should consider this. What people say. Works great. Comes ready to use. Easy and fast results. Painless on the regular setting. Love that it comes with everything you need to test immediately. I love the app, it makes it a lot easier since. I also love the color graph on the meter and the smiley face and achievements. It's easy to set up and use. You can tell it if you have eaten or if you're ready for a meal with no problem. It gives you a good guide to how you're doing with your levels and what your weekly average is without asking for it. Number 1. OneTouch Verio Reflect Blood Glucose Meter. Managing diabetes can be easy. This blood sugar monitor simplifies the process when you test your levels. It includes a lancing device and lancets. Get reliable readings quickly. This kit provides accurate results in just 5 seconds. It uses test strips that require only a small blood sample. This technology uses colors to help you manage your diabetes. It signals when you are approaching a high or low reading each time you test. The blood sugar monitor feature stores previous readings. You can connect to the OneTouch Reveal app for more insights and guidance on managing your blood sugar levels. Wonder how your daily activities affect your blood sugar? Now compatible with Fitbit and Apple apps, you can sync your data. Stay connected and informed to take charge of your wellness. What we like. This meter simplifies blood sugar testing with easy-to-read results in just 5 seconds. It uses ColorSure technology to provide visual cues for your blood sugar levels. If you like a user-friendly device with helpful visual indicators, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The sleek design and intuitive interface make testing seamless, even during hectic days. What I love most is its reliability. I can count on precise results every time, giving me peace of mind in managing my health. The Reflect backlit display is wonderful and very easy to read. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.